All right, let's try that again. Good morning, traders, and welcome to the opening trade. I'm Ayla, and I'll be guiding you today. Before we get started, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found by both link and text in the description below of this video. We have 4 charts we'll be displaying today. The first one is going to be the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures, the NQ, which is the NASDAQ futures, the YM, which is the Dow Jones futures, and then the euro versus the US dollar, showing the euro. Today we're going to watch our automated trading system potentially trade on the futures if the indicators are met for it to fire off. Good morning, Bull Shark. Thank you for joining us again. Thank you for your feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe since we're here. All right, let's take a look at the news today. Today we have, let's see here, so today the first thing we're going to take a look at is this NASDAQ chart, which if the parameters are met, then we will see this fire off in about 5 minutes. Make these charts a little bit easier to look at first. I've got those magnifiers on today, so let's make it easy on the eyes, right? Okay. Let's take a look at the news. We have a few minutes here. The financial stocks advanced pre-market Thursday. That'd be today. Gold prices extend gains after the U.S. CPI report. So yesterday we were talking about how the CPI report would come out, and it did. and the U.S. stock futures hold modest gains after roughly inline CPI. So the U.S. equities index futures green S&P 500 was up 0.6%. We have less than 3 minutes before the open of the New York stock. So CPI came out as forecasted, and unemployment claims came out better than forecasted, which is explaining the price action that we're seeing. And then let's see, at 10, no, I think my time is still on the wrong time. One moment. It looks like today we'll also be seeing the natural gas storage report at 10:30 Eastern. At 1:01 Eastern, there will be a 30-year bond auction, and the federal budget balance comes out at 2. Tomorrow, we see very little in the way of news coming out. Let's see, we're going to see import prices month after month tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and then at 10 a.m. the prelim UOM consumer sentiment and inflation expectations will be coming out. So then we have less than a minute. So right now we are looking at this chart, which is for the NASDAQ futures. We got about 20 seconds. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on our website at theopeningtrade.com. If we're going to see a trade, it will be
order submitted.
Okay, so it's already in a trade. The parameters were met. So right now you can see we're just doing the NASDAQ.
Order filled.
So we closed in a win. And then the next two trades that could fire off in 5 minutes will be the ES or the YF. So don't forget to go to our website, theopeningtrade.com. We have free trials to our automated trading system, which you just saw there. I automatically closed it for a win because you see it's just jumping up and down. And we have 2 other trades we want to look at today if they go off. One second. This is a simulated account on the live futures, which we have free trials to our automated trading systems on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in this video description. So the next 2 automated trades we could see will either kick off in the YM, which is the Dow Jones futures, or the S&P 500 futures. We have about 3 minutes, so let's go back to our news here. Let's refresh. The Fed seemed near certain to switch to smaller rate hikes as inflation slows. Soy is up 8 to 12 cents. Corn is up 1 to 3 cents, and wheat is down a penny. India's HTLC Tech beats quarter 3 profits on a strong deal win. We have less than 2 minutes where we will see a possible trade on this chart here for the S&P 500 futures and then the Dow Jones futures. Again, this is if the parameters are met, then the automated trading system will go into the trade or not. So we're just here to see what it's doing. This chart we're looking at here is the euro versus the US dollar, with the euro being displayed. Rothschild and Company appoint Horn as the capital goods Europe head. Tribeca Film Festival is going to sell VIP passes as NFTs this year.
Order submitted.
So the parameters were met, and we see an order has been submitted on the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures. This is live. This is the YM chart, which is the Dow Jones futures. And this is the ES chart, which is the S&P 500 futures. So both charts are in a trade. This is what we like to see. Our favorite color, green, green, green.
Target filled.
So that means that our other, it stopped out because the parameters, hold on. So the target filled means that we won that trade. We're still in a trade right here.
Order
We're going to
filled.
take the money, and then it's this number over here, the 527.50 is our win for the day. That's all three of our wins added up. So we heard target filled earlier, and that was because this ES chart, which is the S&P 500, was a full win. We closed early on the NASDAQ futures and the Dow Jones futures in the green just because we felt like it. Why not, right? Green's our favorite color. We were in the green. Might as well, no need to be greedy, and just felt good to take the win, right? Alright, so all three of those automated trading systems fired off because the algorithm parameters were met. You saw I only closed 2 manually, and the ES did see the most win doing it by itself. So what did we learn? Maybe I should have just left the other 2 alone. But again, that is up to each person and how you feel. So I understood all associated risks, and I was okay with what I got, so I hit close. And again, this last chart is the euro versus the US dollar, showing euro. Okay, so let's see if we got anything fresh in the news. Siberian Sea Bank's FX reserve increases in December. Let's take a look here. Isn't it at 1? Try to do some Eastern to me math. Hold on. So at 1:01 this afternoon on Eastern Standard Time, there will be the 30-year bond auction that we'll see. Also at 10:30 Eastern, the natural gas storage report will come out. And at 2 o'clock, the federal budget balance will be released. Tomorrow we will be looking to the import prices at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, month over month. That report will be released tomorrow at 8:30. You might hear a very vocal cat in the background. He's just excited, don't mind him. He's just commenting. He's saying buy some fishes with the wind. And tomorrow we will see at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard, we will see the prelim UOM Consumer Sentiment Report and the prelim UOM Inflation Expectations Report will be released. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Check out our website, theopeningtrade.com, for free trials to automated trading systems for future and back testing on the futures market. Sorry, forward and back testing. I feel like my brain has left me today, so sorry, bear with me. Let's refresh this page. Unstoppable domains and Ready Player Me team up to create interoperable metaverse identities. Did you guys see that news article about the mom who went on, yelled at her child, take out the stuff out of the freezer so we can make dinner? Okay, so if you see me move real quickly, it's because I'm going to try not to be clawed to death by a cat who is walking around, might jump on me. So sorry. The cat is the production team, so I don't know what his deal is today. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. We took some advice and we changed our formatting, and now we don't know where anything is. So, bear with me while I reorientate myself here. We appreciate the feedback. It was very helpful. Alright, let's look at our charts here. This is live. Make sure we have no data stream errors. Okay, everything is running greatly, and we refreshed. So, also, tomorrow, okay, so tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Happy Friday the 13th, first one of the year. Refresh our news. The ES looks like it is running down to pre-market lows. The S&P 500 Dow Jones open higher after the December inflation data. Let's see here. Commodity stocks lift TSX after the US CPI fell. The UK house price is set for a 15% drop, Numora predicts. I'm not sure if I said that name correctly. Don't hold me to that. Let's take a look here. So the YM fell below the PP today, which is your pivot point, which is the gold mustard color, yellow. Not sure what it really is showing up for you. really nice color though. So it fell below it. It's running below it. We'll see if it goes back up. We only have a few more moments left here. Few more minutes. Sorry, moments, minutes. Same thing, right? We have a few of those left for today on here. So don't forget to read and understand all associated risks on our website and in this video description. We also have free trials to automated trading systems on the futures market on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Ayla, and I was guiding you today through watching our automated trading systems firing off. We're watching this chart here. Get a refresh on the news, see if anything juicy pops out before we go. Today we did see 3 wins in the automated trading system. 2 I stopped out manually, and 1 did its own thing. The one that did its own thing made the most. My name is Ayla, and we're about done for today. I'll be here tomorrow. Please like and subscribe, and let's come back in and let's take a look. So maybe share with somebody you know. Maybe they know nothing about futures. And it's really as easy as 1 trade a day. You don't have to sit in front of this computer, as I'm about to go crochet. So have a great day. Let's see if I can figure this out. 1 second.